I have booked a flight on Monday evening to fly to the UAE. I'm going out there for about a month, so I need to make sure that everything is in place before I go. Look at that, he ain't lost it. As per building regs, we need to put a fan into the utility area, transfer the measurements outside, and that's where I am. I'm under the floor and I'm above the ceiling. Trailer on this morning and I've shot down the yard and unloaded the props. I need to go and get some 8 plasterboard ready for the dry liners. Let's have a check at these walls. Yeah. This is going to be the last video of the mini series. The last 3 weeks of the project will be completed remotely by me. The good news is the content will be changing and I'm going to be doing networking, vlogging, daily stuff. I'm going to be doing beach clubs, meetings with people, setting up the company, the stuff, what's involved, hiring a car. I'm doing 2 weeks in Dubai Marina and 2 weeks in Greek Harbour.